Figma is just a tool. It's not a skill. So recently, I was trying to recruit somewhere around 2 to 3 years experienced UX and UI designers for one of my clients. We had received so many resumes, but we are unable to find the right candidate. So today I'm going to talk about Figma is just a tool. It's not a skill in a detailed manner. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. So, if you want to become a chef, you have a different kind of knives and a different style of cuttings. But if you learn only that, or you become a chef? No. So, that all are the small techniques that will be helpful to speed up your process. You need to know how to cook and how to make the fusion foods. For that, you are using this cutting techniques are small, right? That is a techniques only. All right. So become an artist, you need a creativity, you need a something else. So same here in Figma. So if you want to become an UI and UX designer, or you are a UI designer or UX designer, Figma is offering a couple of techniques. So that is an auto layout, variable, component. These are just a techniques. You know Figma tool and you know these techniques. So you think you are a designer. No, absolutely wrong. You are well versed on the tool. So if you are going to rate, right? So you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced Figma designer. That's it. So you are a Figma tool operator. You are not a designer. So why the problem arises? So most of the people in YouTube or Insta, in LinkedIn, so a lot of mentors, they are showing a lot of small tips and tricks, the techniques as a video. So you people are seeing that and you people are assume that this is what the design it is. So that is not a design. So that is first thing. Second thing is in LinkedIn and Behance, they had a problem. They are not segregating the software proficiency and skills. They are clubbed together. Under the skills area, you have to mention your soft skills as well as you have to mention your software. So that is also creating another problem. Right? So you are well versed on using the Figma tool, but you are not a designer. If you want to become a designer, then for the design side alone, there is a lot of things are available. So UX laws, actually UX laws are not a UX laws, is all the psychological principles to be implemented on the visual medium. So they are included into the UX laws and a couple of other things. So you need to understand the user behavior and understand their problems and how to solving that in a different perspective. But if you are not focusing on those, you focus only on the Figma design tool. All right. So that is where the problem arises. So recently, Apple was launching the liquid glass effect in their latest OS. Lot of design mentors, they try to achieving the same effect in Figma. They had released a lot of tutorials available in the market. But suddenly, within 2 to 3 weeks down the line, Figma was rolled out the glass effect. That's it. So the tutorials are wasted. So you people are more fascinating. Even though you are a 2 years, 3 years experience, still you people are fascinating with these kind of an effects. That means you are a graphic designer or you are a visual designer. So 2 to 3 years down the line, you have to grow. You have to mature enough to move to the next level. So you have to work on various aspects. For example, you have to think about how to reduce the carbon emission in the global environment. So for example, recently Google was launching that. It's called Green UX, right? So sustainable user experience is called SUX. So you have to evolve these kind of concepts. Apart from that, you people always fascinating and fall in love with a lot of latest tools, including AI tools. So those tools all are standalone. You need to crack the workflow and you have to build the application. These tools all are helping you to reduce the workflow and turnaround time to working on the projects. That's it. Even this Figma techniques, auto layout, variable components, all are reducing the man hours. That's it. Not more than that. So being a 2 to 3 years experienced person, what you have to do, these all are going to be your muscle memory or it should be on your reflex, that Figma design tool. You need to more focus towards on the UX part. Then only you can able to evolve and grow in this domain. So currently what happened, lot of people, I'm seeing a lot of resumes and a lot of people, I was seeing that they all are showing their skill or strength as a Figma design tool. So it won't work out, it won't be a long lasting. So you have to change your approach. So this is a reality. And if you want to sustain and if you want to grow in UX and UI design, don't get settled and don't fall in love with only Figma. Explore other tools, right? So these all the tools are going to reduce your workload and the man hours. That's it. You have to focus more towards to the core concepts of UX and evolve. I hope you like this topic, and if you want to have any queries or if you like to debate with me, we can love to do that in the comment section, and I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.